If you encounter negative exponent, just like in this example, so we have here 4 raised to negative 2. How can you simplify an expression with negative exponent? So tandaan po, hindi tayo makakapag-simplify kapag negative yung exponent natin. So ang ginagawa po dyan is ginagawa pong denominator yung exponent at yung base. Pero, yung exponent natin magto-turn into positive. So, tandaan, A is the base and N represent the exponent. So, what happened here? So, naging siyang 1 over A raised to N. So, gawin nga natin siya dito sa example natin. So, 4 raised to negative 2 will become 1 over 4 raised to 2. So, di ba? Mas madali and mas correct po na i-simplify natin yung 4 raised to 2 kaysa sa 4 raised to negative 2. Kasi kapag sinimplify natin yan as it is, mali po yung makukuha nating answer. So, 1 over 4 raised to 2 is simply equal to 1 over 16.